able to just kind of squeeze the ring right, and then that released it and pop right up. But I'm gonna have to take this just right outside. There we go. And just for a minute, take a look at this thing in the light. As you can see, I stamped my name on it. There you go. You can see it real good there. Jonavarius. Stamped it all the way around it. Not a perfect print, you know. There's some blemishes, but I did a fast speed with the solid info that I could to get this part in. Hey man, you know. I mean, it's looking pretty good. Bearing edges. I mean, to be perfectly honest, I'm pretty impressed at the bearing edges for being 3D printed. I honestly think they will probably work. Obviously, I got a flat edge on this side because I'm putting a free floater, but let's try that, right? This is the exciting part. I've been wanting to do this for years. Alright? There we go, there's my 80s free floater. That's it. Oh yeah! Like a glove! Oh man! This is looking pretty dope! Oh yeah. Oh yeah man, I nailed that. Just enough gap where it holds it. Dang, bro. Okay. Black on chrome. This is gonna look dope too. Alright, where's my head at? Oh yeah, that's right, I got my tool. Let's get it close. Mark knows what I'm talking about. Right here. Oh yeah! Drummer's friend right there. Gotta be careful though, gotta be careful. Definitely gotta be careful on this because, you know, it's a plastic shell. I haven't even used engineering grade polymer yet. This is literally just PLA. So I know this thing for sure is fragile and will definitely break if I put too much stress on it. But it's interesting. Alright, switching over. Like maybe before I break it, I should just take a good picture of it because I'll definitely break it probably when I plant it. Let's get a good shot of this thing. Nice, bro. Like I said, it still needs work, you know. But that's cool though, you know, having my own custom. Custom drum shell with that like rib pattern in there. Wow. Hey, it works though. Actually, that does have a pretty quick fall off. I do have one piece of tape on here though. That's not bad for only one piece of tape. shit, I might just put a different rim on here. Wow. This on the side. Wow. Okay, well, I gotta say, this PLA drum head, or drum shell I made for my free floater. Wicked, bro, wicked. See the pattern? Look at that pattern. And it's totally working. Crazy that those ribs I put on the inside are holding the pressure. It does have a lot of projection, man, seriously. Oh. I mean, that's pretty freaking good, dude. And there is a ring, but like I said, it does calm it down. You hear it? Like my other one definitely rings out a lot longer than that. I mean, this is definitely working pretty good. Dude, this sounds great.